This week's best day to fish Sydney is Wednesday, 27th of May. Score, 55 out of 100. Right now, Wollongong is the top spot at 55 out of 100. Water 20.3 degrees, swell 1.9 meters, wind 3 meters a second. Today's peak window opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 9 a.m. That's when wind, swell, and solunar timing line up best. In season this week, yellowfin tuna, snapper, Mulloway. Match your tackle to what's actually around. Here's the 7-day outlook for the region. Best day, Wednesday the 27th May. Plan your trip around the green days. Daily updated at fishare.app/forecast/Sydney. Free, no account. See you on the water.